Sophia here from my great challenge. I gotta be honest, I'm gonna try to hide my face as much as I can today because I just got back. It's past 6 o'clock. We had a storm in New Jersey today and I worked all day in sleet, snow, ice, scraping cars in between patients. It was pretty nonsense. So I'm exhausted. I look like whatever. And so I'm having a coffee right now. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do before I start going back to zone 3. Some of you mentioned the easy off. Okay, this is my month for FlyLady for February 2019. By the way, we are on day number 13. Okay, so you guys, some of you mentioned that I should use the easy off oven cleaner fume free to go over my baking sheets. So we are going to try that. And it says you need to let it sit for, let's look at step 2. Wait 2 hours for the foam to penetrate. Oof, I don't know if I have 2 hours for that, but we're gonna see, okay? Because I really want to save the cookie sheets. Oops, I want to save the cookie sheets, okay? So I'm gonna put them over here for now as I spray this, so you'll see what they look like, right? Okay. And let me have some coffee first because I'm freezing. I spray this, and then I'm gonna put them to the side. Yeah, no fume. This is not bad at all. You can use it indoors. I would expect it would fume. I mean, I would expect it would foam a little bit more though. Okay, so alright, so that's one. Let me do the other one. I'm going to put that on the counter on the other side. Here's the other one. I'm not going to do the third one. I just want to see if this is going to work. Okay, so let's go. Alright, I think that's enough. Let's wait for good. Okay, well, we're gonna do an hour and a half, okay, and then we're gonna see at the end of the video whether the easy off no fume oven cleaner will bring these babies back to brand new. Back in action. Okay, linen closet. I'm gonna spend 15 minutes decluttering. There's a lot of stuff in here that has to go because I just don't need it. All right. I'll give you an example. I here have a basket that has literally 4 products, and that can go. How many times are you going to see those baskets? I'm going to keep it because I can put it in my sewing room. I have these products, and at the bottom I have all these containers which I kept. Remember I had the stamps in there, so I'm going to take one of those. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Don't I look terrible? It was rough driving in the snow, y'all. It was rough. And it was cold and wet. Well, of course it's wet, but you know what I mean. It wasn't the storm of the century or anything, but it was rough. Okay, and I'm going to put those in here. And I have this one, and that's gonna go underneath the sink because you saw yesterday in that bathroom I have plenty room for stuff like that. Okay, so one basket and that stuff is out. Let me spend some time putting things back in the proper order. I'm too short for this. Okay, blankets over there. This is a sheet I absolutely do not use, but it's fantastic fabric. So guess what? Sewing room. Gonna reorganize the kids' towels. And I just folded a whole bunch of them when I was downstairs. Okay, kids' towels. This is our towels we keep upstairs. That's the kitchen towel. These are actually really good, but these are cotton bamboo fiber. They're really good, but I don't like the size of them. They're too long. So what I'm gonna do is bring them downstairs to the sewing room. I'm going to cut them in half, and I'm going to redo the edges on the sewing machine. That way I have wonderful face towels. These remove all the makeup you need to have removed. That's really good stuff. But the size is just weird. Okay, these here, these are single pillowcases. These are the Euro one, that's single, that's single, and I have singles here too. So once in a while it pays, you know, to kind of redo the closet. That's Euro. Can you see what I'm doing? I don't know if you can. Okay. We're going to keep it like this because tired tonight, guys, okay? Alright. This is a flat sheet. I don't know who folded these sheets, but this is really bad. Okay. We got a flat one here. And a flat one here. More Euro pillows. You'll notice I'm only spending 15 minutes doing this and no more. I'm not going to edit, nothing. Okay, what's this? This is a absolutely gorgeous tablecloth that's handmade. You see that? This is all handmade. I don't know where I got it. I don't think it's from my family. Oh man, I wish you could see the, I think it's made out of those flour sacks. I think I got it at a estate sale. I don't know if you can see the edges here. Look at that. You see that? It's all done by hand. And that would look fantastic as a tabletop. So I'm going to take that downstairs. It needs to be cleaned again and put in the sun because there's a yellow stain. So that goes downstairs. Okay. Now what do we have here? This is a tablecloth. This is a single sheet. Yeah, we fold sheets. So sometimes when you're in your zone and you just have time to declutter, that's all you do. Don't worry about anything else. You don't have to clean and scrub every day. You know, I'm only spending a few minutes Hopefully, I don't have the, I didn't put the timer on, but I don't think I'm going to spend more than 15 minutes doing this. And if I do, that's fine. So sometimes it's just about spending time, you know, you put things back together, right? Now, if you were maintaining it all the time, that probably would be better, but obviously we're not there yet in this house, and that's okay. As long as there's progress, I'm good. I am good. Not worried about anything else or what others can say, and you all know that. Okay, so this belongs over there. All right, let me move that down. There we go. Telling you, I'm not editing. I'm just doing. Okay, so we got sheets here. That goes on Edwards. These are our sheets. Keep them here, and these are more part of the white sheets. That goes in here. Okay, can you see what's at the bottom? All right, this just fell. Keep them right here. All right. This is one of those bags that you get when you go to Bloomingdale's and you buy a cologne or whatever. They give you bags. That can go. I have what? There's samples in it. I have no use for it. What do you want me to do with this? No, that can go. Okay, this, I really don't need it. I already have one. Not gonna put it here. This, now you see, don't need it. Okay. Now these two things here, these are ridiculous. I've had them for years. I don't use them at all. So I'll tell you what, I'm gonna remove them. Because you'll see when I get to the office, I actually need the space down here. For new things. And then all the way in the back is the snake for the sink. And it doesn't fit anywhere else but there. So I'm leaving this like that. This is gonna get relocated. I have this that's going to Goodwill. This is gonna get relocated. This is trash. This is getting relocated, and then I have a bunch of fabric right here that's going to my sewing room. I am done. I don't think I spent more than 15 minutes. And the linen closet is done. It's seen better days, but you know what? On a tired day and a snowing day, it's still organized. I know where things are, and I'm good with it. So let's go check on the Easy Off and the cookie sheets. I've been a good girl. I waited 2 hours. So we're gonna go on the one that was the dirtiest. I have a Brillo pad, and we're gonna see whether or not Easy Off is going to bring back my cookie sheet, because I really don't want to go buy new ones, okay? I mean, I could, but it's silly. I did that to myself by not carrying them properly. All right, let's go. Well, I got bad news, guys. The Easy Off is not working. Even though I was on for 2 hours, the stuff is basically fused with, it's nice and shiny. It's just fused with the pot, I mean the pan or the cookie sheet. It's not working. I mean, there's some areas where it worked a little bit, but no. Nope, didn't work. So if you have one more solution, I'll be willing to try it, but I don't think it's worth my time and effort. These are pretty much fried. Alright, so that's the first one. That was the one that was really, really bad. I mean, it is better, but nah, not working. And then this one wasn't too bad, but it's still not clean. So that didn't work. Let's see if I scrape it with a knife. Alright, so if I scrape it with a knife, I can get the stuff out. I'm gonna try to give you a close-up. Is that one? Yeah. I have a big spatula here. Let's see. Okay, so the final verdict is the spatula works, but it removes the coating, right? So what's the point of that? So guys, I'm sorry, easy off, not chemical enough. This thing pretty much looks like it got burnt out. It's some kind of nuclear holocaust, and nope, they are dead. I'm gonna have to replace them. So this was day number 13. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was a little bit different. I didn't really have time to film, but I still wanted to continue the series, and I hope you're not disappointed in the pans, but it is what it is. I can't get them clean. Yeah, the thing removes the coating on it. So at some point, we're gonna go and buy new cookie sheets. I will see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!